Alright, you guys, I got a 2008 Acura RDX, not the MDX this time. This one's just slightly different than the MDX. I've already reset it, but I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. So you're going to put your key in the ignition and turn it to the on position, which is 2 clicks over. You don't need to start the car. And when you come up on your main screen, you're going to push your trip button over here until you bring up the oil life. Once you got that one up, you're going to hit this select reset button here and hold it. And as you're holding it, it takes about 10 seconds. It's going to come up and ask you if you want to reset the oil. So just keep holding it, and there you go. Now it says oil life reset, and then you're going to push the up arrow to reset. And then again, you're going to hit the select and reset button, and that'll reset it. So normally it would go from whatever percentage you're at to the 100%, but that's how you do it. And then you can flip back through your trip button to get back on your main screen. There you go. Hope that helps.